Hello and welcome to this video. Yes, it's autumn and I took the chance to bring some color from this great season into my lock lab. The lock I want to pick today for you can already see, but we will see it in a greater detail just in a moment. But now let me say thank you to Doc Scurlock for sending this beautiful lock to me. Doc Scurlock has a great video channel where he picks locks outside in a great atmosphere, and yeah, it's always very enjoyable to watch his videos, so check him out. But now for the lock. Here it is. It's a Yale shutter padlock. It's model series Y124/70. It's key retaining and has a great bidding, so you can see the deep cut at position number 3 is greatly protecting the last two pins. So let me change the camera angle a little bit and then I will try to pick this lock for you. Hold on! So here I'm back again. The lock is locked up. Now let's try to pick it. Alright. Pin 1 is springy. Pin 2 is giving me feedback. I think I have to set pin 1 from this side. Pin 2, sorry. Pin 3 could have been overset. Okay, try again with very light tension this time. Try to set pin 2. I think I've set pin 2. Pin 1 is still springy. Pin 3 is bound. Maybe set. 4 and 5 are springy, so probably overset. Okay, again this way around. So very light tension. Pin 1 is springy. Pin 2, giving me a full set. Okay, light tension is the key to success. That was pin 3, counter rotation and set. Now I'm on pin 4, I think. Okay, pin 4, counter rotation and set. Or maybe not set. Again, getting feedback here. Set. And maybe that was pin 5. Not really sure. Okay. Pin 1. Set a little bit deeper and get a good full set. And giving me a counter rotation here. Keep fingers crossed, and yes, open. Haha. So light tension is the key to success with this lock. Light tension and keep a good feeling for the pins. Yeah, great fun to pick this Yale shutter padlock. So, Doc Scurlock, thank you very much for this lock, and Yeah, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.